This is Lesson 11, Graphing. First off, we're going to talk about some vocabulary. The Cartesian coordinate plane is what you're looking at right now. Oh, whoops. This is right here, this is the Cartesian coordinate plane. The x-axis is this. The y-axis is this. You put positive numbers on this side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Negative numbers to the left. -5. Now you can number each and every line if you want to. You can go by 2s, you can go by 5s, whatever you need to do, whatever the problem's asking. On the y-axis, the positive numbers go up, and the negative numbers go down. Quadrants. This is the quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. Quadrant 3. Quadrant 4. This right here is the origin. Its ordered pair is 0, 0. And then this is what an ordered pair looks like. You always put your x value first and your y value second. X tells you to go left or right. Y tells you to go up or down. And then you put your point. So, plot the following points. Where possible, state in which quadrant the point lies. So, the ordered pair 5, 2. This is x. This is y. So that means we're going to go right 5 and up 2 and put it off. So, right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 2, 1, 2. Put it off. And that would be A. And that's in quadrant 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Alright, -3, 4. Oh, quadrant 1. -3, 4. So that means we're going to go left 3, up 4, put it up. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, put it up. And that's letter B. That's in quadrant 2. C. Do it with red. That would be right 1, down 2, put it up. So right 1, down 2, put it up. That's C, and that's in quadrant 4. If you don't like the Roman numerals, then you can do it this way. It doesn't matter. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, -5. So 0, you're going to stay, and then you're going to go down 5 and put it up. So 0, stay, down 5 and put it up. And so that's not in a quadrant, it's on the axis, on the y-axis. -4, -1, left 4, down 1, put it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, down 1, put it up. That's E. And that would be in quadrant 3 or 3. Alright, the next thing that it talks about is a relation. Oops. There. Oh, a little too much. There it is. Alright. A relation. And a relation is a set, a set of ordered pairs. That just means a set of ordered pairs. The domain of a relation is the x values of the ordered pairs. The range of a relation is the y values. The x values are sometimes called inputs because you input an x, and the y values are sometimes called output because you input the x and you get the x, you get the y out. So number 3. It says write the ordered pair for the following points. Name the quadrant that each lies in. State the domain and range. So here's A. Go to our x first, and then our y. So that's 5, 2. So our ordered pair is 5, 2. And that's quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. So that lies in quadrant 1. Here's B. So we have to start at 0, go right 1, up 5. So that's a positive 1, positive 5. And that is also in quadrant 1. Here's C. Start at the origin. You're going to go left 4, so that would be negative 4. And up 3, that would be positive 3. So negative 4, 3. And that's in quadrant 2. D. Start at the origin. Left 3, so negative 3. Down 2, so negative 2. So negative 3, negative 2, and that's in quadrant 3. Here's E. Here's 0, so we stay, the first one is 0. When you stay, you don't go anywhere. And then we had to go down 4, so that would be negative 4. And that's on the y-axis. Here's F. So start the origin, right 1, down 2. So right 1 is positive 1, down 2 would be negative 2, and it is in quadrant 4. Here's G. So here we're going to go right 3 and then stay. So right 3 would be positive 3, stay is 0, and it's on the x-axis. If you have any questions, write them down. And then the domain and range. I can get that on my paper. Alright, so I'm going to write the domain right here so I can see my table. The domain and range come next on your worksheet. So the domain are all the x values. So all I have to do is write all of these x values down. But what I need to do is put them in order. So negative 4, negative 3, 0, 1, but 1, there's 2 of the 1s, but we only put it once. Then 1, and then 3, and then 5. The range are the y values. So that would be the 2, the 5, 3, -2, -4, -2, and 0. So we start with the smallest, which is -4. Then -2, 0. There's 2 -2's, but we only write it once. 2, 3, then 5. And that's the domain and range. The set of x values and the set of y values. Okay. It says express this relation, which is a relation is simply ordered pairs. Relation is just ordered pairs. So 10, 200 is one of the ordered pairs. So we had to go from origin over 10, right 10, up 200. This one would be right 20, up 400. So 20, 400. This one would be 30, 200, 35, stay, so that's 0, 45, 150, and another 45, but it goes up to 250. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ordered 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ordered pairs. Now it says state the domain. So domain, it's a set, so we do the squiggly lines, and domain means x. So 10, 20, 30, 35, 45, 45. But remember, we only write numbers once. So 10, 20, 30, 35, and 45, and then the squiggly line. The range are the y values, and that would be 200, 400, 200, 0, 150, 250. We have to put them in order from least to greatest, so 0, 150, 200, but we only write it once, 250, and 400, and the squiggly. Alright. I'm going to stop the video here and start another one.